You don't need injections or a med spa membership to rebuild collagen. Today, we're breaking down 5 affordable, science-backed ways to boost collagen at home so you can firm, plump, and smooth your skin without ever stepping into a clinic.
Let's discuss collagen.
Yep.
And let's discuss why we lose it and, what factors play into that.
Yeah, just life, right?
Yeah.
Life in general. You age, you lose your collagen. Well, what is it? 25, 23,
25
something like
years
that.
old. Yeah, you're at your peak.
1%. What was it? 1%, and then you just keep compounding that, losing an additional 1% every single year. So
Right.
you've lost from 25 to 50, you've lost 25% of your collagen.
Yeah.
I mean, that's terrible.
Yeah.
So there's nothing you can do about that either. I mean, that's just living. And then stress, right. Obviously, you can help protect yourself when you go outside. I would say, there are obviously some key things. There's 2 key things to protect yourself outside from damaging your DNA and your collagen, and that's vitamin C.
Okay.
Right? So something like applying high-octane vitamin C every day. It has 3 different versions of vitamin C in here, so this is super effective at not only protecting you, but as the rays hit your skin and they're causing damage, the vitamin C, I think I've talked about this a few times before, it will help to fill in missing electrons so those cells are perfect again and replicate normally so you don't have issues and growths and marks. So very important. And then the other thing is sunblock.
Right.
I mean, there's a lot going on about sunblock lately, and I understand chemical sunblock is not good for you. I don't like that either. But a physical sunblock, like a zinc or titanium dioxide, that just sits on the surface, and it's like a bunch of little mirrors that just reflects the sun off you to help it helps protect your skin from the damages. And that's your collagen that's being damaged by the sun. So if you're going to get some sun, get it on your arms, maybe get it on your legs. You only need 10 minutes or so. It doesn't have to be your face. Let's
Shield
not
your face.
damage your face. But yeah, I mean, those are things that you actually can do on a daily basis that'll really help to prevent more.
Well, let's move forward with a more in-depth strategy.
Right.
Yes.
More things.
Let's talk about some affordable ways that you can stimulate that collagen with peels.
Peels, TCA. I cannot say enough. There have been studies done. I'm not just claiming this willy-nilly. TCA has been shown to stimulate collagen, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans, which are your skin's natural moisturizing factors. So this is just number one if you're concerned about collagen and elastin. They all kind of go hand in hand, really.
Sure.
TCA, chemical peels in general, yes, but TCA specifically.
Got it.
You really have to get a little bit of social downtime if you want to really work on your collagen. But something like that, and it doesn't matter how aggressive it is, it's still going to take 60, 90 days before you start seeing real changes. Even with a strong peel, like a TCA peel, it's still going to take time. So, always take your pictures and continue on. Another one, obviously, it's called collagen induction therapy. So clearly, this is going to help with collagen.
Yes.
So something like microinfusion, where you take the little needling tools, go over your entire, all these, we have 30 little needles here, stamp, 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 stamp. You can do this 1 to 2 times per month.
Right.
And this literally will stimulate new collagen in your skin as well. And we have all the wonderful serums to work with. And generally, let's bring this up, because some people might think that, collagen begets collagen. You can't just put some collagen on your face and assume that that's going to help your collagen grow or something. Collagen is a large molecule and it's not going to penetrate well. You have to physically push it into the skin with something like microinfusion.
Got it.
So when we're talking about things that we can needle into our skin to help with our collagen, we have things like exosomes.
Okay.
So here's the human adipose exosomes. Wonderful for stimulating collagen and
Nice.
elastin and all that kind of stuff. And I want to say like our PDRN serum here, this has collagen in it. And this is the only way that the collagen is going to get into your skin, is if it's being needled into your skin, because otherwise the molecule is too big.
Oh, wow.
So the only time collagen is really beneficial topically is if it's really not topical. You're pushing it into
Wow.
the skin.
Yeah.
Otherwise, think of it as like a nice glorified moisturizer. But don't, just purchase a collagen cream. That's not going to help your collagen.
Got it.
It
Yeah.
must be pushed into the skin. So that's something to think about, right? Collagen's great. This is going to stimulate collagen, but we need to push it into the skin where it's actually going to help how you want it to.
Got it. Okay, so now we've talked about chemical peels. We've talked about the microinfusion.
Yep.
Let's talk about some devices here.
Yeah, right? So LED. LED is wonderful for like firming the
Yes.
skin and helping with collagen. And it's so easy to use. It's
Very.
painless. It's something like you can do it between 10 and 30 minutes every other day
Right.
is plenty.
Yes.
And that, like our Illuminate right there, that's a super mask that actually has like a higher irradiancy level. So it's a little bit more powerful than most of the at-home masks out there. So there's like different levels, there's like a low, medium, high.
Yes.
When you get that in high, that's really potent and still feels like nothing, but
Exactly.
that's really helpful. And that's also something amazing where if you're already doing a collagen stimulating treatment, like let's say you did microinfusion
Right.
or you did a chemical peel, do your LED mask right after that. Right
No
after
issues with that.
Nothing at all. Not
That's
only
nice.
is it calming and healing with
Yeah.
the red and infrared, but you're just aiding and stimulating more collagen because they're both working hand in hand.
Sure.
Another thing is like an IPL. Like we have our Vis IPL here
Yes.
that we carry. This is a great product we've carried for years now.
Yes.
And IPL is wonderful. You use the rejuvenation
Cartridge.
cartridge. I keep on calling it like a handpiece. Use the rejuvenation cartridge, and that is really the one that's going to help to stimulate the collagen and help to firm
Got it.
and smooth the skin. And there's another cartridge too, the other cartridge, but that's more for it is for acne. And then, so there's the acne one, the rejuvenation one, and then the hair removal one.
Yes.
So you definitely don't want to choose the wrong one. You definitely
Sure.
want to get the rejuvenation one if collagen and anti-aging is your goal.
Now, alternating these devices, obviously, the LED can be used with your peels.
With anything.
So that duo right there is
That's a good
really
one.
amazing.
Yes.
The IPL, you have to space out from the chemical peels.
Well, so let's think about that. You can actually do this a couple times a week.
Okay.
The directions say, I want to say it's twice a week. I'm not looking at it. 2 or 3 times
Yeah.
a week. It depends on which
I think
cartridge
you're
you have.
correct. Yes.
So if you can do that 2 or 3 times a week, you're waiting probably 3 days or so.
Sure.
So if you've done that and you've waited 3 days, then you can move on and you can do something else. So let's say you decide to do your TCA peel.
Okay.
Well, then your TCA peel, you have to wait. You have to follow those rules. So
Yes.
that one says you got to wait 30 days. So you
Yeah.
wait your 30 days. And then maybe you want to do some needling because I think it's excellent to keep rotating and keeping your skin
Right.
guessing, keep doing different things, and your skin's just going to be so busy, growing.
Yes.
So, we decided, okay, I did that. I've waited 30 days. I want to do my infusion now. And this you can do once every 2 to 4 weeks. So that just depends on how aggressive you are, right?
Right.
So if you only went over your face one time, I would say you could do that in 2 weeks without a problem.
Right.
If you went over, 2, 3 times,
Right.
and you did a really aggressive treatment, then you might want to wait,
Yes.
3 or 4 weeks before you do something else. But once that time's up, well, move on and pick the next thing or cycle those.
Amazing.
A lot of people like to cycle, and I think that's a really good option. And other peels too, like the vitamin A peel, our
Right.
Dream Peel. This one is full of not just vitamin A, but vitamin C. And we've already talked about how good vitamin C is for your skin,
Right.
for stimulating collagen. So that is in here as well. So you've got it's actually THDA, which is the oil soluble form of vitamin C, which is really, really good for hyperpigmentation and all these kinds of wonderful things. But certainly that mixed with the 3 different forms of vitamin A in here, excellent for stimulating
Perfect.
collagen. And of course, talking about vitamin A, you know, an everyday retinoid. You need an
Yes.
everyday retinoid. And our Fusion A, as with most things we have, has multiple forms of, you know, that. So there's 3 different forms of vitamin A in here. So you're getting just the very maximum amount that your skin can take.
Nice.
And this, of course, is going to help with collagen as well. I would say there are a couple other little things that you could do. Painless, add it to your daily regimen.
Yes.
Like we have some specific potions here. And what these are really, really high percentages. Like this is SYN-TC, and this is 75% SYN-TC. So if you think of like a normal, you were to buy a face cream, there might be 1%
Yes.
SYN-TC in there, okay? So here's 75%. So you can mix this into any product you like, or, you know, use it by yourself. But the TC stands for total collagens. This is about stimulating collagen.
So that is a concentrated ingredient.
This is
Let's back up
concentrated.
and just discuss
All
how
of these are the
powerful
potions.
they are.
Yeah, they come in the,
Most use them full strength.
yeah.
You can certainly, like you said, mix it into a 1 ounce or 2 ounce bottle
Yeah.
of cream or a serum. But, you know, if you want the most bang for your buck, apply it just to the troubled areas
Yeah.
morning and night, and
Absolutely.
you'll see results.
Or, you know, get one of the, okay, so these are individual, right? So we have this Skin Actora. This is a 35%.
Okay.
This is also amazing for collagen. This is the Matrixyl Syn 6, 35%. And then we said the SYN-TC, 75%. So all of these are used for stimulating collagen. They're active ingredients.
Right.
So you can take these, and here's a couple things you can do. One, of course, you can apply them singularly. You could mix them into your favorite product.
Right.
Or you could get like one of our 2-potion or 4-potion combos where we mix these for you. Let's say I want 2 of the SYN-TC and 1 of these, and all of those are all together. And now you've got like a super-serum that you can apply every single day, right? So you're getting all this bonus. One other thing that you can do with this, and that is with the needling again.
Right.
If you read your instruction booklet, it says there's some approved serums. And the Dr. Platinum Potions, which is what I have in my hand right here, can be used with this. And how I suggest doing that, I don't want you to fill this all up and stamp that in your skin.
Right.
I want you to use whatever serum you're going to use in here. Let's say you're using the EHR serum. And then add, you know, a drop of this one to it, or a drop of this one to it. And now you're adding more collagen stimulating things. So like in this one right here, this, our EHR, this has epidermal growth factor, hyaluronic, and Replexium. Well, Replexium is an ingredient like one of these. Its goal is to stimulate collagen. So we've already added an additional ingredient to this, but you could add a little bit more. You know, a drop of this. Customize it. That's what this whole line is all about, giving you the power to mix and match whatever you want. So that's another way that you could use those is in your needling, as long as you're adding like a drop. Don't fill the whole thing up.
That's
Let's not
exciting.
get crazy.
That's exciting because they can really focus on certain areas, like Matrixyl is really good for around the eyes, the SYN-TC around the mouth,
Yes.
the smoker straw lines, those sort of things.
Oh, yes.
So yeah, I mean that's exciting, and they can really, really, you know, customize it to whatever their needs are.
Exactly. And the more the merrier. When you're trying to build collagen, I mean, whatever you can do, do it. Because we're in a downward spiral. Once we hit 25, that's it. We've got to make up for
We are fighting
our
the battle.
constant.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Platinum
it's a battle.
Skincare is here to help you.
Yes.
So just to recap, we've talked about chemical peels, we've talked about microinfusion, our Illuminate LED,
Yep.
the Vis IPL.
Yep. And then the daily products, you know, vitamin C, retinoids, and also like the different the little different Dr. Platinum Potion actives. All of these are super for helping to stimulate collagen.
And when that collagen is stimulated, you're going to see smoother, tighter, more
Firmer.
refreshed, glowing skin.
Yes.
Yeah.
And a lot of times, a lot of these collagen enhancers also help with elasticity too,
Yeah.
which helps to keep everything nice and tight. And it seems like those two always really work hand in hand. But yeah, these are excellent.
Perfect.
Excellent. So if you're seeing aging, all of these, do it all.
Do it all. If you have questions, make sure you give us a call, 1-800-917-3155.
Yep, or you can email us at support@platinumskincare.com. And of course, join our Facebook group,
Yes.
Platinum Skincare Gurus. We're there for you every single day. I answer almost all the questions myself as well. Not just myself. I have help.
Yes.
But I am always
You're very
on there.
active
I am
on the social
extremely
media
active in there. You
page.
can say hi.
Yes. Sounds good.
Have a great day.